Are you buying a used home or a resale property? Something to consider is a home warranty. This is a product that's going to protect your home and all of its systems on your purchase, and you can add it right to your purchase offer, and the seller might be able to purchase that for you. It's definitely something you can negotiate. There's a number of companies that offer them, and they protect your electrical, your plumbing, your washer, your dryer, all of your kitchen appliances, your ceiling fans, your garage door openers, even if a pipe bursts. And it costs a flat fee when you close on your house, and you can continue that over and over and over. A number of these companies even rekey your home now. The great thing about it is all of your systems are covered. Say you're in Florida where it's really hot and your AC often gives you trouble. That can be $7,000 to $10,000 to replace an air conditioning unit, but with a home warranty, you pay for a service call, somewhere between $75 and $100. A technician comes out and repairs it. If you can't repair it, they replace it. Works for every single system. I think it's a no-brainer. What do you think? If you have questions about home warranties or would like to see some more options, check out Relativity's Smarts tab. They've got all the information about home warranties and other negotiables in your purchase offer.